Before we can start using Git, we need to install it. So let's go ahead and open your favorite web browser. And now let's enter git-scm.com/downloads. Go ahead and select Windows. And now let's wait for this executable to get downloaded. Now that the executable is downloaded, run it and install. Here, installation is going to be relatively easy as most of the default selection is going to be selected except one, which I'm going to shortly tell you. Yeah, so here you need to select use git from git bash only. And for next of the installation, we are going to be selecting the default option and select next. And now we can click on install. And now that the Git is installing, we can sit back and wait for it to complete. Great. Now as you can see that it's completed. I would uncheck view release notes. For now, I can launch the Git bash and click on finish. Okay, so you can launch the Git bash just after the completion of your installation. Before we do anything else, let's spin this to our toolbar. Right click, spin to taskbar. So I did this because for the remaining video, Git bash is going to be your best friend. In the next video, we are going to do some initial setup so it knows who are we. Thank you for watching this video.